Cash advance apps handle sensitive financial information, so checking their privacy practices before connecting your bank account is one of the most important steps. By the end, you'll know what to look for in a cash advance app's privacy policy, which permissions to review, and how to avoid apps that collect more information than they need. The first place to check is the app's privacy policy. A legitimate cash advance app should explain what data it collects, why it collects it, and how that information is used. Before signing up, review the information the app requests. Many cash advance apps need details like income information, account activity, or identity verification data, because they use that information to evaluate eligibility and provide their service. The key difference is whether the information is being used to provide the cash advance service, or for unrelated advertising purposes. Read the sections about data sharing, third-party partners, and marketing preferences. You should also check the permissions requested by the app. A cash advance app generally should not need access to unrelated features like your contacts, photos, or microphone to provide basic account services. Another step is checking how the app explains its fees and repayment process. Clear apps usually show the cost of using the service before you confirm a cash advance. Look for apps that let you control your communication preferences. Privacy settings should make it clear how you receive notifications, offers, and promotional messages. Avoid apps that make promises about instant approval or easy money while hiding important details about data collection. The information you agree to share matters just as much as the amount you receive. Before linking your bank account, verify that you understand the app's privacy terms and the type of financial information you are providing. You can also protect your information by using strong passwords, enabling security features on your account, and removing apps you no longer use. A cash advance app should make its service clear: what it collects, why it collects it, and what choices you have over your information. Before choosing an app, check 3 things: the privacy policy, the permissions requested, and the transparency around fees and repayment. If this helped you understand how to compare cash advance apps based on privacy, like the video and subscribe for more reviews of financial apps and digital money tools.